Dave Porter with Meet the Attorney. I'm out here with Jeffrey Rosenbaum from Rosenbaum and Associates. We're really excited to be out here today to understand what it takes to find a professional attorney in Philadelphia, Montgomery County, Bucks County, and the surrounding area. Your firm has had a tremendous success record in fighting cases in these areas, winning multi-million-dollar cases for your clients, and we wanted to come on out and find out why you've been so successful.
Well, Rosenbaum and Associates has been very successful because we've got a long, proven track record. This firm started with my father many, many years ago, and now my brother and myself are both in the firm and involved in handling these cases. So through the years, we've developed the expertise and the skill to really assist our clients. Plus, we're willing to devote our resources to helping our clients maximize their recovery and getting fully compensated for the losses they've sustained, whether it's due to an auto accident or medical malpractice. Any type of serious injury case we can help them with, and our resources are devoted to helping them.
Jeffrey, our research indicates recently you took on a case with tremendous exposure to your firm, and it ended up being a financial reward for your client in the millions. Tell us what it took to actually win that case.
When we get involved in a case, what we do is we work on what's called a contingency fee basis. And that means essentially that the client doesn't owe us anything until we make a recovery for them. So we put in all of our time and we lay out all the costs that are involved in pursuing a case. In a case like that, I believe the costs were about $100,000. So they can be very expensive, but we commit to these cases. And I think that, like you saw in that particular case, the result was very good. We hire the appropriate experts to make sure that we're maximizing the recovery and we're not leaving anything on the table so that the client really makes a full recovery from a financial standpoint. We're making sure that all future medical bills are looked into. We have a life care planner that takes care of that. We have doctors that review the case and write reports and ultimately will testify for us to support what we believe our client's injuries are and to tell the judge, the jury, what the future holds for our client and their continuing pain and suffering and the fact that they have a permanent problem. So we do all these things in order to maximize the settlement for our client.
Jeffrey, I really want to thank you for taking the time with us today to educate all of us in regards to what it takes to find a professional attorney. It's clear that these cases can be complicated, and you should take your search for finding an attorney very serious. Really, the way I think of it is if you're going to go into a battle, you want your best team behind you. Rosenbaum and Associates definitely have the resources, experience, and knowledge to stand behind you and fight for your rights. They know how to battle these large insurance companies, hospitals, and really go after fighting for your rights. So Jeffrey, I really want to thank you for taking the time with us.
Well, thanks, Dave.